Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix CSGO not launching easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first click here, and now after that go to game mode settings, turn on this option, go to captures, turn off those two options, go to Xbox game bar, turn it off, then go to graphics settings, turn on this option. Now try again. If that doesn't fix your problem, let's move to the next step. Click here and then go to GeForce Experience, go to drivers, check for updates and make sure to install the latest update for your graphics card. Now go back and try again, and if that also doesn't fix it, now go to Task Manager, click on memory. This is the application that takes your memory like Google Chrome. Right click and end task and end all the applications that you don't want it to applications that you don't need. That's it, just close all the applications that you don't need and your problem must be fixed, and see you in the next video.